How to set up Discord for events. Setting up Discord for events requires a little structure. First, create a dedicated category for the event, then add relevant channels like announcement, Q&A, or event chat. You can also use an event-specific voice or state channel. Schedule the event using Discord's event scheduler and give it a clear description. Assign temporary roles like speaker or guest with tailored permissions. Consider pinning key messages or linking an external schedule. This makes it easy for participants to find what they need. Use slow mode in chat to prevent spam during high traffic moments. Have you hosted an event on Discord before? Share what worked best for you in the comments below. When planned right, Discord can be the perfect platform to host engaging and interactive events. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.